In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize ticket pipelines and statuses in HubSpot. We'll start from the trial guide for Service Hub so you land in the right workspace. Opening the trial guide gives you a curated path to the tools we need without hunting through menus. Once you're there, look for the More menu in the navigation. This expands additional options that aren't surfaced by default. From that expanded list, choose CRM. That takes you into the core area where service objects live. Next, select tickets. This opens your tickets index where you can view all requests in either a board or list format and filter by pipeline. On the tickets view, find the three dots icon. This menu is your shortcut to pipeline level controls, including pipeline automation. Automation tied to your pipeline stages can handle repetitive work for you, things like assigning owners, sending internal notifications, or updating fields when a ticket enters a specific status. It keeps your team consistent and your customers informed without manual effort. For this walkthrough though, let's open an existing ticket. Working from a real ticket makes it easy to see how pipeline and status changes behave in context. Inside the ticket record, you'll find controls to adjust the pipeline and the ticket status, and you'll also see an option to edit. Click the More menu or the pencil icon to begin making changes. Here's what to focus on as you customize. First, align your pipeline to your actual support flow. Common patterns include stages like new, in progress, waiting on customer, escalated, and closed. Keep the number of statuses manageable so agents can quickly choose the right one. Next, mark which statuses are considered open versus closed. This matters for reporting and SLAs, since open statuses typically drive workload and time to resolution calculations. Reorder statuses to match the sequence your team follows most often. The order you choose will show up on the board view and in dropdowns. While you're here, tidy up naming conventions. Clear, action-oriented names reduce confusion, especially for new team members. If you set up any stage-based automation from the tickets index earlier, make sure your status names and order line up with those automations. Consistency prevents rules from firing at the wrong time. Before you finish, review your changes on the ticket you open to confirm the new pipeline and statuses are selectable and intuitive. Then save your edits. That's it. You've navigated to tickets, explored the pipeline automation menu, and customized your ticket pipeline and statuses directly from a ticket record. With clear stages and well-labeled statuses, your team will move faster and your reporting will be far more reliable.